What's going on, traders? Gonna start this off with a little clip from Anthony Pompliano on CNBC talking about the all-time high. It's only going to be about a minute in before he says what I want you guys to hear.
Bitcoin is basically back to
Pay
record
attention.
highs from a couple of years ago. Joining us now is Anthony Pompliano, a founder of Pomp Investments, and it's kind of a fool's errand to ever try to figure out where Bitcoin is headed. But just in terms of things that are on the horizon, we got the halving coming up. We've had the ETF that was
Very
recently
important,
spot
Invix.
ETFs are
Very
now
important.
becoming more mainstream. And how long has it been? Has it been 2 months? It started maybe a little bit slow, but then it's been
Pay attention to what
kind of a
Anthony is
rocket
going to
ship.
say
If you
right
look over
here.
the last 60 days and in the next 60 days, there's two big stories. The ETF approvals obviously were a huge deal. BlackRock alone has $11 billion in their ETF. They added $1 billion just in the last day. And so these are massive inflows for just one fund. There's 11 of them. And so obviously there's tons of money coming in, about 12 times more demand for Bitcoin than what the network is producing every single day. But also, as we near this record high, if we go back and we look at past record high breaks, or if we eclipse the old
Pay attention
high,
right here.
3 of the 4 times Bitcoin doubled in 18 days or less. And so you think about that for a second. Once you break through an all-time high, it's price discovery. What is this thing worth? The world is going to try to figure that out. And
Okay. In 18 days or less. Let's pop over to the chart real quick. This is where we broke the ATH originally over here. Okay. And you may have noticed I cleaned up my chart a little bit. Like this area had a whole bunch of these little boxes in there, about 6 of them. So there's 6 levels of support if we ever get back down to here, which I don't think we will. However, I also didn't think that we'd break the 60K mark, and we broke it on this right here. Didn't stay there long, got pushed back immediately, and started us back up towards our newest ATH, which is $70,199. So if we go back from here on the 5th, where it broke the ATH, 18 days from that is the 23rd of this month. So if Pomp's prediction, or if history is still repeating itself, then the price of Bitcoin will be really close to 140K by the 23rd of this month. I don't believe that's going to happen. Will the price go up? Yes. Will it double? I very seriously doubt it. At least not in the way it has in the past. If anything, it'll go beyond double. Yeah, that's right. I don't think it will double. If it's going to repeat or near repeat history, it'll go beyond the double mark. That said, I honestly don't think it'll get anywhere near there, guys. That would be a big jump, a huge jump for us at this point. And if it starts to do that, it could trigger FOMO, and that could make it double. If FOMO happens to trigger some kind of way, yes, it could actually get up to near 140K by the 23rd. However, we're having a real problem getting past this resistance level right here. We keep getting into it, and we keep getting knocked back almost immediately. Right now, we're forming that red candle. Looks like we're going to form like a slightly lower low right here. Unless we get some pushback. However, down here, looking at this indicator, the bars is still dark green. So this is going to get pushed back, and we're going to have that candle change into a green candle, and we're going to continue to try and test this resistance area right here during this hour. It is 10 a.m. Friday, March 8th, and that's where we are right now. Me thinking that no, even though history says that yes, the price will double within 18 days or less. One of those times it actually doubled in 10 days. One of the in the last 4 ATHs, I think the first one it doubled in 10 days, and then from there it was 18 days or less. However, like I said, doubt very seriously if it does that this time. We will not see the price double in 18 days. Nope. That's my prediction. I don't see it happening. Can it happen? Yeah, sure. It's always a possibility. Will it happen? I don't think it's a probability. Is it a possibility? Sure. Is it a probability? I doubt it very seriously. We're having trouble getting past 70K. So, however, this is crypto, baby. You know what can happen. So that's where I'm going to leave you guys for right now. Let you think about that. Plan for your investment future, how you're going to attack the market. I will see you guys back here on Sunday. Guys, have a blessed day. This is the Dark Sage signing out, and peace.